Good morning, students. Today I am going to start civics chapter number first. Chapter name is Understanding Diversity and Discrimination. Diversity means differing from one another. It means diversity is the range of many people or things that are very different from each other. And discrimination means difference. Okay, difference means is an unfair treatment of a person or a group of person on the basis of prejudice. Got it? So let's start the chapter. On page number first, there is a talk between the schoolmates, and they belongs to different region, different states, and they wears different costumes. So this is known as diversity. So, firstly, we will understand the meaning of diversity. India is a diversified country, so we will understand diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. Diversity means differences. We speak different languages like Hindi, Punjabi, English, have various type of food, celebrate different festivals like Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Lodi, practice different religions like Hindu, Sikh, Christian, Muslims. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different ways. Okay, we all are equal. So, the meaning of this passage is we are similar in some ways and quite different from one another in some other ways, like age, physical abilities, gender differences, religious beliefs, and languages make us distinct and unique from one another, and this is known as diversity. I am again explaining you the meaning of this passage. Diversity is the range of many people or things very different from each other. And differences help us to learn from one another, and similarities help to share. India is an example of diverse culture and tradition. Even though India shows diversity, we Indians are united because some things are very similar and some are different. So both similarities and differences bring an interesting variety into our life, and diversity is a nature way of grooming us to adjust, learn, and coexist. Next topic is what caused the diversity. A little more than 200 years ago, means in the past time or long before, the train, the aeroplane, bus, or car became a part of our lives. People traveled from one part of the world to another in ships, on horses, camels, or on foot. The earlier people went in the search of new lands or new places to settle in, or for people to trade with, and because it took so long to travel, once they reached the preferred place, means on their destination, they stayed there often for a long time. Many others left their homes because of natural calamities like famines and drought, as they uh, could not get enough to eat. Some went in the search of work while others left because of war. The meaning of this passage is human beings live in groups. If you consider your family, it lives in a house, and the house in a colony, and the colony in a locality, and the locality in a district. It is variations, the district in a state, and the state in a country. So at every level, the people around you make a difference to how you live. For example, your parents teach you what to eat, how to eat, what to wear, how to pray, what to do, and what not to do. Your parents say you na inside the house and the outside the house. They learned these things from their parents and the elders around them. This is what builds traditions and trends and known as diversity.